Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows Firewall has blocked some features of this application on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will work for other versions of Windows as well, and specifically Windows 10. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search icon, and you want to type in security. Best match, or one of the best matches under apps, should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. You can search for Windows Security as well. And then on the left side, select Firewall and Network Protection. And then select Restore Firewalls to Default on the right side. Go ahead and select the Restore Default button. Now you may want to take note of anything you've configured since. So if you have custom rules, you're going to have to reapply them once this is done. So Restore Defaults is going to delete all settings in the Windows Defender Firewall that you have made since Windows was installed. This may cause some apps to stop working. Do you want to continue? Select Yes. And then hopefully that should be about it, guys. At this point, restart your computer and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.